Why are there not more people talking about Chevy Malibu brake problems? It's a bigger issue than you might think. Let's break it down. If your Chevy Malibu's brakes suddenly don't work, don't panic. This is a common issue with some Malibu models, especially those made between 2016 and 2018. Here's the main problem. The brake vacuum pump can fail. This pump helps you press the brake pedal easily. When it stops working, your brakes feel hard, and your car doesn't stop like it should. Sometimes you'll notice a warning light on your dashboard. Other times, the brake pedal just feels stiff. Either way, it's a sign you need to get your brakes checked right away. What should you do? If your pedal feels strange or your brakes seem weak, pull over safely. Call for help. Don't try to drive with bad brakes. It's not worth the risk. Fixing this usually means replacing the vacuum pump. Chevy has even recalled some models for this issue. Check with your dealer to see if your car is covered. Remember, safe brakes means safe driving. Stay alert and don't ignore the signs.